Hello there, good day to you. You are welcome back into another awesome tutorial. If you are a graphic designer, I believe that you might have worked with CorelDRAW or Photoshop in the past. But today in this video, I want to show you a website that can design or that can remove all background of any image that you intend to use. What do I mean? I mean that this particular website that I'm about to reveal to you today will kind of remove give you images that do not have background. As you can see, these images are images of mangoes, as you can see. So the name of this particular website is PNG, as you can see, is pngimg.com. Let me show you the website properly so you can see. pngimg.com, as you can see, pngimg.com, as you can see. Now click on where it says search to search for the website. Okay, once you have logged in, this is how the interface of the website is going to be. Now whatever image you intend to search, come to this particular box and just click on it and search the image that you intend to search, and it will give you list of images without watermark. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned.